In this segment, we're going to discuss tax credits.
Tax credits, Karen, that's one of my favorite things in the
Yes.
tax code because it can have a huge impact on the tax return.
So let's look at credits versus deductions.
Credits versus deductions.
Yeah, it's a huge difference.
I bet most people think deductions are better once they know that term, don't you, Karen?
Exactly, yes.
Okay, well, what's a deduction?
It reduces the amount of taxable income dollar for dollar, and so it reduces your tax liability.
So that's a good thing. It
Yes, it
reduces
is.
your income dollar for dollar. I like reducing that. Well, what's a credit, Karen?
The credits reduce the taxpayer's tax liability dollar for dollar.
Well, I bet most of our students may not quite understand that as well. So let's go ahead and
That's
give them
true.
an example of deductions and credits. So let's look at a deduction example first.
So we say a taxpayer has a $1,000 deduction and is in the 15% tax bracket. The overall savings would be $150 if you use a deduction.
All right, so all we're doing is taking the deduction, which was the thousand, multiplied it by the tax bracket or tax rate, and that's your savings of $150. Well, let's look and see how that compares actually to a credit.
So we'll say the taxpayer has a $1,000 credit. This would produce overall tax savings of $1,000.
Well, Karen, if I got to pick between deductions and credits, and it's the same amount, I'm going to pick credits every time.
Exactly.